Question for you, Evgeny. You've been working with a number of different organizations, advising, consulting, large ones, I'm sure, and I've seen probably a diverse maturity of cloud adoption. Um, I want to sort of hear your perspective on what are some of the challenges you see, how companies are doing it right, especially ones that have regulatory challenges. What sort of differences do you see between these companies?
It's a very good question. And as we say in the industry, depends a lot. I spend quite a lot of time with financial sector in Canada and US as well. And it's quite different. So first of all, for many of the companies, the financial sector, people afraid to put the data in the cloud. Not everyone, the engineers always want to push everything to the cloud, but the regulation, not always. So in some cases, you required a lot of signatures. You required a lot of people in committee in the cloud to review what you want to do. Third-party assessments, vendor assessment come to effect to understand where do you put the information, where is the data will be. Especially in Canada, people really don't want the data to leave Canada, especially the financial one, because there's quite a lot of speculation and understanding where the data will be. So in many cases, it's easier to sell vendors on-prem versus vendors in the cloud. But everybody understands this is where the industry is going, and they understand they will have to build a path, build a framework to make it happen. And one of the solutions is vendor management, third-party assessment. You already know you guide the vendor, you need ISO in some cases, you need SOC 2 compliance. This is what else you need to show the enterprise that you're cloud ready, that you have all the certifications you need to make sure the customer is happy. So the sales cycle become longer for certain vendors, the implementation become longer. There's also a lot of questions about SLA, because the moment you put your data in a cloud, you cannot put 2 firewalls, 2 routers, 2 switches, multiple databases. You need to rely on vendor will give to you. So you need to double check, triple check exactly what they claim. How many nines are there? What does it mean if they're going down? What does it mean that they have a bug and they're going to lose your data? Also, by definition, we kind of expect in the cloud, the positive part, that you always going to be on the latest version. In the moment they release a new feature, in a day, week, or even less, you will get this feature. While on-prem, it will take much longer. Now, in some cases, it may be a problem, because if you're not ready for this feature, if they're moving too fast, you may not want it right now.